welcome to the Style Chronicles. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Erica and I like to create outfit and styling videos here on YouTube. You can also catch me on Instagram at the Style Chron. Today's video is going to be a little Target haul. I wanted to share some pieces I picked up with you as well as a pair of shoes. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit subscribe and the notifications bell so you'll be notified of all my recent uploads as they occur. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for continuing to be a part of my Style Chron family. I really do appreciate it. I love the fact that you can go in there and find trendy, you can find classic, you can find very nicely tailored pieces if you wanted to. So it kind of runs the gamut from casual to dressy. So the first one is this blouse from the Who What Wear collection. It is a linen tropical, it's called Sea Tropical blouse, and it's just really pretty. It's got this red, the ruffle sides, it has a button back, which I thought was really cute, and I thought this would be great for just a pair of blue jeans or on top of a white pair of blue jeans, or shorts if you wanted to do that as well. So you can really make it casual, or you could dress it up with a pair of linen pants, white pants, or even a pencil skirt tucked in. So I thought it was a great piece to have for throughout the rest of spring and summer, and that red color is just really pretty, kind of a coral. And then the next one that I picked up is just this one. It is a button down from the A New Day collection, and it's this nude color, which I just love. I love this shade, this kind of skin colored blush or skin colored nude. I think it's a great piece for tucking into a pair of blue jeans with a pretty belt, or even a pair of shorts. You could wear it out with a pair of shorts, but just a great piece. And then, you know, with whites or with those blue denims, really kind of a pop, but at the same time very nude. It's just so pretty. I love that whole vibe of nude on nude, or like wearing all these, you know, very neutral colors at once. And next I picked up this one, which is a beautiful eyelet, well, it's like little circle eyelet shell by A New Day, and this is the size small. It does have, like, the back is not lined, the front is, so you do kind of have to be a little careful with that, but the nude bras tend to blend in, so I love that. And I like this for white on white for the summer with a pair of white mules, white jeans, but also tucked into like paper bag shorts, which I think is a great look as well. This blouse from the A New Day collection as well. It's just that nude, but it's that animal print at the same time, so I did two trends in one, and I love it. Of course, you know, you treat it as a nude, you treat it as a neutral. There is no color here. You just wear it like you would wear a white t-shirt with, you know, nothing on it. Act like there's nothing there, because that is how incorporated animal print has become into our daily wardrobes. So yeah, you can wear this with white and a denim jacket, or a pair of black slacks, tucked into a pencil skirt. As I always say, it's just a great piece. Wear it casually with a pair of shorts. It's just a good structured blouse. And the last blouse that I picked up was this one. This one I was just drawn to because it is so classic in style. It's just a true classically styled shell, if you will. But this is by Prologue, which is another Target brand, and this is a size small as well. And it's just a high-necked, sleeveless black shell that you can wear as a tunic, or you can tuck it in. So I love the elegance of this piece, the fact that you can wear it in the summer and in the spring with a pair of giant earrings, and a pair of black pants, or tucked into a pair of jeans with a belt, or just as a tunic, you know, on top of everything. So I love the versatility of something like this. They had it in a white as well, withheld from purchasing it in different colors, but this is a true, very classic piece that you will wear, I will wear for years. I'll get a lot of use out of this. I picked up a pair of paper bag shorts, and I know paper bag in general is huge. It was big last year, it's even bigger this year. There's so many more options this year than there were last year. Last year it was like every now and then you'd find a pair of slacks or a pair of pants that were paper bag. This year it's all over. I mean, there's, you know, all over the place there's a lot of paper bag stuff. So these are by A New Day. They are ruffled around the edges, and then it has a tie, and they're of a little dressier, it's like a crepe material, so it's a little dressier, which I really did like. And I feel like you could pair this with, you know, the cheetah, or you could do a simple all black look, or you could do the whole, you know, nude with black and a pair of mules, or even, you know, just the white for a fresh look, and maybe some red accessories or something. So, and lastly, a pair of shoes that I picked up from Target. Every time I go into Target, and I swear to you, I go for diapers or wipies, I have to go through the shoe aisle. That I got are these, and they are a woven mule, which is just really, really pretty. I am a size 7.5, true 7.5. I sized up to an 8 because when I put the 7.5 on, my heel was like almost on the edge. So I think these run a little small in sizing. So the 8 fits perfectly. There is a little bit of room back here, which is fine. I'd rather have a little bit than not enough. So there you have it. They also come in black and in a really pretty braided black with gold. I love these. I love how this kind of brown, this like cognac brown, pops against white. It looks real fresh, real clean. So I love that. But these were only $19.99, which I think is great for a pair of mules that you will wear the entire summer. And as you can see, I've worn these, oh my gosh, I've worn them almost every day since I got them. They're just so easy to put on. Like, you don't have to think about, oh, what shoe am I gonna wear? You just throw them back on because they're out already and they're just easy. So I love them. And then they also elongate because they're the pointed toe. But yes, that is my Target haul. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I love finding these pieces and then sharing them with you because they're good. They're really, really good. And the truth is, there's so many things out there right now at Target that it can be a little overwhelming when you walk into that area because there's so much coming at you. But when you really break it down to what you will wear, what colors you like, and sizes, like I find a million things that I like but no sizes, so those don't come home with me. But like I said, you know, if you know your body, you know your style, and you've pinpointed exactly the kind of style or the look you want to go for, you can really narrow it down. You find things that you really hone in on and that you really like, and that's what I end up doing. It's just kind of honing in on things and, you know, knowing myself and my style. So I find that that's very, very important. But really quickly, on my hands, I have on OPI's Alpine Snow, which is one of my favorite whites. I love white for the spring and the summer. It's beautiful. On my face, I have on Natasha Denona Camel Palette on my for my eyeshadow. My cheeks is Flower Child by Becca Blush. My lipstick is Max Viva Glam 2, and I have on the Kevyn Aucoin Celestial Highlight. And that is it, a pair of Ardell lashes, and that is all. I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you would like for me to haul next, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.